Je parle au nom des mamans congolaises
I speak on behalf of Congolese women
et au nom des mamans de toute l'Afrique.
and in the name of all women of Africa.
Je suis une femme comme vous.
I am a woman like you.
Je suis une mère, je suis une épouse.
I am a mother and a wife.
Ce sont nos hommes qui vont à la guerre
It's our men who go to the war.
et ce sont nos hommes qui créent la guerre.
And there is men who create war.
Alors, si nous sommes des épouses, nous sommes des mères,
If we are wives, we are also mothers.
que pensons-nous de tout ce qui se passe dans le monde?
What do you think about what's happening in the world?
Aujourd'hui, le Congo est un pays déchiré
Today, the Congo is in pieces.
et les hommes qui déchirent le Congo
And men that is putting Congo in pieces.
ont des femmes,
Yeah, those men got women,
ont des filles.
got daughters.
Je ne sais pas ce que les femmes de leur famille pensent de leur comportement.
I don't know what women, what their husband think about.
Moi, je crois que j'ai honte
I feel ashamed
parce que
because
si je ne suis pas élue,
if I'm not elected,
cela signifie que on ne veut pas de moi.
that it means like they don't like me, don't want me.
Si je ne suis pas aimée,
If I'm not loved,
je dois partir,
I have to go
chercher là où on va m'aimer.
and look for where they can love me.
Les femmes,
Women,
nous sommes les premières victimes de la guerre.
we are the first victim of this war.
Nous sommes les victimes de toute la méchanceté des hommes.
We are victim of all bad behavior of men.
Aujourd'hui, nous célébrons les droits de l'homme,
Today we are celebrating human rights.
mais qu'en est-il des droits de la femme?
What happened to the women rights?
Ce sont les femmes qui sont victimes de ce qui se passe au Congo.
Women are victim of what's happening in Congo.
Violées,
Rape,
sabotées,
to put anyway,
et c'est la société congolaise qui est tombée.
is the whole Congolese society which is falling apart.
J'en appelle aux mamans
I call upon women
de se lever
to stand up,
pour lever aussi notre société.
to lift up our society.
C'est par la femme que Jésus-Christ, c'est par le message que Jésus-Christ a donné à la femme
It's because of the message that Jesus Christ gives to the woman
que nous avons appris la résurrection du Christ.
that we learn about the resurrection of Jesus Christ.
La femme reste toujours la messagère.
The woman is always a messenger.
Le message que j'ai, c'est un message de paix.
I have a message of peace.
Si nous voulons la paix dans notre pays,
If we want peace in our country,
ce sont nous les mamans
we women,
qui devons
we need
soutenir
to support
ce processus de paix.
the process of peace.
C'est tout ce que j'ai à dire.
That's all I'm talking about.
J'ai honte
I feel ashamed.
et je suis en deuil.
I'm mourning. Thank you. I believe that what is happening in our country, I have to say something because we had enough of what is happening. As Papa Mui said, that our country has been led for 51 years by criminals, bandits. People have no heart for our country. We have the first one is Mr. Mobutu, who killed million people, rape, and destroy our country. Our country has been sold to Western. Each man was given to Mobutu was sent back, was in Mobutu account in Europe. Since his death, we never saw a single man return to our country, while all the money is in Europe. The second, we put the American with the help of Rwandese, Rwanda, Burundi, and Uganda. They come to put in power a man who was called Mr. Desire Laurent Kabila. That man had a heart to save our nation, but because of a heart, although he came with war in our country, the American people killed him by the hand of Mr. his so-called son, which is the name of Mr. Hippolyte Kanambe, but called by people now with the name of Joseph Kabila. This man, he was a taxi driver in Tanzania, and the former bodyguard of Mr. Kagame. Our democracy had been buried since yesterday, when this criminal of Joseph Kabila, I call Hippolyte Kanambe, was proclaimed by fraud and cheating the president of the Democratic Republic of Congo, while the man who won the election is Mr. or Dr. Etienne Tshisekedi wa Mulumba with more than 60%. But international community accept to side with this criminal who killed our people, 6 million people in our country. More than 2 million women have been raped, and the population have been massacred by this criminal called Hippolyte Kanambe. He was declared yesterday the president of Congo, which is not acceptable, while he never won the election. We are asking for international community to be out of our country. We want them to stop siding with a criminal who is supposed to put in jail. we ask them to take Kabila out of our country, to put him in jail because he's a criminal who destroy our country. Right now, our people are suffering all over the world, being refugees because of what's happening in our country. We are calling on Mr. Kanambe, Joseph Kabila, to step down, to let the will of people who they elect Mr. Dr. Etienne Tshisekedi in power to lead our country. Right now, we're asking for people of Congo that we are not living alone. We are outside of the country. We are in heart with you. We are crying together. We are supporting you. You should stand up, say no to imperialism, no to the dictatorship of Mr. Kabila. Kabila has to go right now. Thank you very much.